I love surprise eggs. Do you love surprise eggs? Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, this was super fun last time. I loved it. So I had to do it again. Oh, I wonder what awesome surprises are going to be inside. Let's open them up and find out.
Okay, Bridie, which one shall we open first?
Oh, this pink one, please.
Okay. Oh, I love surprises.
Me too.
Oh, it's an LPS blind bag. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Oh! Let's check it out. I've had this one before, but it is super cute. We get a little orange sleeping bag. And guess who goes in it? Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, wow.
I love her.
Isn't she a lovely baby? Gorgeous little LPS baby.
She is the cutest. Oh, I'm so happy with her.
And which one now, Bridie?
Oh, this lovely sunshine yellow one, please.
Okay. Oh, I love it. It's a Kinder Surprise.
Oh, I love them too. We can eat the chocolate.
We most certainly can. Yummy. Oh, wow. What have we got here? I think I know what it is. Wow, we got a super cool racing car. And I bet it can go really fast. Wow, that is cool.
I'd like a big size one of that. I could drive it.
That would be super cool, Bridie. This lovely pink one now, Bridie?
Oh, yes, please. Isn't it a lovely colour?
It is. I wonder what's in here. Oh, it's another egg. Oh, cool. It's a troll egg. Wow, what are we going to get inside, I wonder?
Oh, more chocolate.
Cool. I know. Isn't it fun? Oh, oh, oh. What have we got in here? Oh, this is cool. Let's put it together. Do you recognize him without his hair? Have you guessed? Look, it's Guy Diamond. Wow, isn't it cool? I really like that.
Me too. I love the trolls.
Which one now, Bridie?
Oh, that lovely pink one was so much fun. Let's open the other lovely pink one.
Good idea. Oh, let's see. Oh, I love these. It's a Tsum Tsum squishy. Who will we get?
I don't know, it's so exciting.
Oh, let's check it out. Do you know who our gorgeous little squishy is? Have you guessed? Oh.
I know.
Who is it, Bridie?
I think it's Roo from Winnie the Pooh.
You are clever, Bridie. It is. It's little Roo. Isn't he adorable? He really is.
Oh, I love him. And lastly, our lovely sunshine yellow egg. Oh, I wonder what could be inside.
Let's find out. I love this. Let's see. Oh. I love these blind bags. My Little Pony.
Ooh, who have I got?
Let's see. Wow. Oh, let's check her out. Oh, wow. Bridie, meet Lily Blossom.
Oh, she's so beautiful. I love her.
She is. And look at her cutie mark. It's 3 little lilies. Oh, isn't she pretty? Wow, she is gorgeous.
I know, she's amazing. Wow, I've had an awesome time today. I hope you have too. I think I enjoyed the surprises this time even more than I did last time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and I promise you we'll be opening some more surprise eggs very soon. So we'll see you then. Bye everybody.